So we have a Seattle's best tomato right here. So looks great. Well, let's see how it tastes. The skin is too thick. Yeah. There are better ones for Seattle. This is Matt's Wild Cherry. It's okay. We can go over to Sugar Lump. This one's better. For sure. Better. I got it. It's more acidity compared to Matt's Wild. But my favorite, supice. This one is the best. Sweet. There's no acidity to the tomato. My tree's dying. It's so hot. I have it in a pot. These are my eggplants. Oh, I forgot about tumbling Tom Red. It's very bland. Neither sweet or acidity. Got some chilies. They're cute. I don't eat much. It's a Thai dragon. We have the normal Thai hot chili right here. I don't eat it, I just grow it because it looks cute.